listen. I ain't trying to lose my life for some foolishness.
This is gonna be Titanic 2.0.
Hey.
It comes when I'm in this pit. Keep me in my
Just touch the boat quite it's not yeah, we wait there in the section. Mad time. It's a draw still. So it's a draw. I'm serious. It's a 90-year-old shirt. Just hopped on the boat, man. I feel like we're early birds right now. The way it's slowly packed.
Outside, man.
You say outside. Tell them something, man. Tell them something, my boy, man.
We're at this boat party right now. It's gonna get fucking lit later.
Come on.
Obviously, if you're not here, then you're missing out.
Lax.
Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
You know what they say? Obly delayed is not obly denied. So yeah, man.
What are you saying?
Hi guys, it's VibesOverseas by one. I am Stardust here.
Yes.
Hi vlog.
Definitely, miss. Definitely. Enjoy yourself though, yeah?
I am enjoying it. The alcohol had just licked me. And then I'm on a boat as well. Hey. Captain Morgan portraying.
Jeez.
We had to, I didn't like to surround it, but it was just there for decoration.
Yeah.
I just had the Bacardi here from my friend and Don Julio. Yes, I'm mixing.
So you're mixing and that.
I might even buy another drink, but we'll see how the day goes.
See how it goes, miss. By the end of this, we're gonna have to catch a vibe. For real. So, what's your name again?
Stardust Tam.
You say your name's Stardog?
Stargirl. That's what I'm on social. My name's Tam.
Nice to meet you. Drew. My socials, 400 mil. We'll catch a vibe. See you guys. The boat's looking shaky still. The boat is looking shaky. But the sailor right now doing the mad thing. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Yeah, thing. Oh, we have to step on the mains for this one still. The side of the catch that back. Let's go, man. This is so Spanish. Oh, that's she's driving the boat. Hey, lives are getting risk right now still. Oh, everyone driving the boat.
I'm gonna crash us all.
Hey, what do you mean you're crashing us all? What do you mean you're crashing us all? Listen. I ain't trying to lose my life for some foolishness.
This is gonna be Titanic 2.0.
Hey, we don't need that. We don't need that.
What the fuck? I don't know what I'm doing. Can I press? Don't press the
No.
Yes. I don't want to oh my god, she's so drunk. What the hell?
Oh, I'm still. Appreciate you, miss.
Yeah.
Taking it there still.
Oh my god. You're drunk.
Remember me, Jenny. What Jenny?
I'm in the boat. You're drunk.
Catch later. I'm blowing like a. Oh god, I'm like a catch later. Hair blowing like a.
Man, the captain of the boat, yeah. Man, the captain of VibesOverseas, yeah. Hey.
He's taking it there. Never missing a workout. Taking it there. He's a madman.
Gonna be a good night. That's tonight. Gonna be a good night.
Serious.
Likewise, man.
Come on, man. Vibes out here, man. Got a bit of drink in my system. But vibes out here, man. Overseeing the event. Free it.
You better give it to them, give it to them. It's tricky inside, man.
Every other day I organize. Yeah.
Taking me in photo. What we doing? It's a high dose. I like the way they mix. We're doing something small for the way. Something small for the way. Something small for the way. Say shake. Something small for the waist. How we look to understand. I am PJM. This is DJ Nose. Take your money to the shake. When I PJ. She said, oh! We got those on the ones and twos. Number team. We're working. So what's up? Hold on. Hold my seat. Down these sheets.
But you know it deep before it even started.
Okay, boat party number 2. We'll see again. I'm just about to load up and get inside. Looks a bit more packed than it was last time still. So, I mean, it's looking very black centric. Look at the plantation. I can't even put that in. It's looking mad still. Looking mad, but Love man.
Yeah, man, so what's your box say? Give me that.
You see, I got me see.
It's a space there, but it's a title.
Say that now. This is why Seven stayed home. She didn't meet me on the phone.
He's driving a boat on that.
Dubai? Let's go Dubai.
Where are we going to?
We're going to Dubai, bro.
Oh, Dubai.
We're going to Dubai.
I said Portugal to Dubai. You crazy, innit?
Where are we going to, guys? Where are we going to?
We're going Lagos, we're going Lagos. Come on, Lagos, Lagos, Lagos. We're going Lagos right now.
We're going to Nigeria, baby.
Where you from, Nigeria?
No, I'm Angolan, but
Oh, really? Fuck it, we're going Nigeria. Where you going though?
We're going to Jamaica.
yeah, welcome to Jamrock, baby.
Let's go to Jamaica,
Oh shit,
baby.
so it's only...
Guys, you want to try my drink?
What drink is that?
It's every alcohol possible.
You know, I'm not trying to get spiked though.
It's not Sprite, I drunk it.
She was trying to spike me.
I will, I'll drink it with you. Whoa, I'll drink it with you. It's a baby.
Fair play.
I can't lie, this shit could get me fucked up. We've had like 5, 6 shots.
6 shots?
Now we're drinking.
And you got that for free, innit?
No, we didn't get this one for free. The shots were free.
Hey, the pretty girls always get their drinks for free and that. No?
The plug ran off on us.
Ooh.
He owed us a drink for what he did yesterday.
What did he do yesterday? Tell
He
him.
threw me in the pool twice. And my hair was fucked up. My makeup was fucked up. We had to go home.
Damn, miss. You're good now, though, innit? I don't think so. Still, it's just starting. It's just warm. I'm stumbling myself, bro. It's crazy. No shit. Let me put this on quickly. I'm a bit burst, innit? I'm about to drive the boat one time, and everyone's like, "Fuck it, man." Let me take it. Oh. The only man she want. The only man she want. Yeah. Listen, man. I'm controlling the boat today. Still, I'm driving it. Oh, you wanna come? You don't come. I'm driving the boat. Come.
Are you sure?
You wanna come on, man?
Oh yeah.
We're going straight to Nigeria right now. We're going straight to Lagos right now.
Yeah, take us to Lagos.
Come on, man. Wait, you serious on that, yeah? Come on, let's go. Come on. Wait, is this down? Is this down? Oh, okay.
So that doesn't control the boat.
Now trust me, man.
I probably should have turned it off so they can
Wait, they're mocking me, innit? They're mocking me. Fast. God forbid a man can have some fun, innit?
Yeah.
God forbid.
Yeah, actually, come away though.
It's your turn now. Share them close so I had on. Here you go. Now drive that. Right there. Hold on. It's only right still. Litty. Wild out tonight. If it's not coming, you're wild out tonight. I have to go grab me a next thing, man. One punch, I'm faded. What you say, miss? You good? Yes. Incredible. Melanin popping. It's only right. Oh, break it up.
Break it tonight. Whoa.
Fuck it up. What are you doing? What are you asking? Oh, shit, you surprised me. I heard that. Me and from up there, you know, so. Man.
Okay, ready?
Listen. Celebrating their birthday today.
Ready?
Yeah,
How you feeling? What's your name?
400 more. I'm feeling good still. How are you?
I'm good.
Straight.
Okay, cool. What song do you need to hear before this boat hits the docks?
I need to hear Bass Cartel, Man of the Match. Just wanted to hear it right now. He said that right now, Storm.
Okay. If your vibe was a currency, how rich would you be?
Ooh, I'll be a billionaire right now.
A billion?
Literally, multi-billionaire.
A billion?
Hundo, because I'm vibing right now. Come on. You already know.
Okay. And finish the sentence. Are you ready?
Yeah.
The vibes are so good, I might just...
Jump off the boat.
Why is everyone jumping off the boat?
Literally.
Stay safe.
Come on.
Yeah.
Say no 6. We're getting for our ladies. Let's go to the road niggas inside, man.
She says the script with the follow me and that. It comes when I'm in this period. Be on my book.
Keep me in man.
First young nigga in the 18 man, I'm 14 mil, straight 14 grand. That boy tickets and diamonds and tell you should play with that boy, that's not one of them.
Say yeah, we paid. Push.
Switch. She wanna see me switch up off the moped, everything go quick. She wanna dance with GBG. How the real dog.
Juicy thing, crash to the side.
Crash.
And then crash us fucked in the head. Just look at that.
Look at that. All that wolfing, man of the eyes. How many times we learned to the best and just in line? Bitch, to the other sky. Hey, she was somebody. Bitch, I want money. 100 times. Don't let my feet. If you're looking for me, you can find me on the streets. Money on beef, money on beef. They're gonna be on me. They're gonna be the leader, no. I go weed man, I get bread man, I'll stay man, don't tell man. 6 feet guns in the back, just like that, let's up.
Just grab sign. I see. Say
yeah, we wanna
run. They say, oh lo, you say. I say, oh lo, you say. Pressure. Say what you tired as another say. Press it down with every question. Crazy thingy, and it's a crazy thingy. You won't walk coming to kill me quickly. Right now, say DJ, we wanna pop. You say DJ, we wanna. Give me that. Call me. Give me that. Give me that. Why you be like that?
Serious. Yes. Oh.
Yeah, man. When I say people, why you be brother? People, why you be brother? You can move everybody. Run it, call me. Take me there. I wanna go there. Take me there. I wanna go there. Bassini. Whoa. Some people. This is the Vibes Overseas, both. So grab your partner and start dancing. Give me that. Forward. Hey, how do you flip it? Backward. Please do. We're recording tonight, man. Let's make it, man. With the sheet. Your girlfriend wanna suck my team, but not be that ass. mix of people. Vibes overseas. It's just like, we are fine out tonight. And then we gotta get wild out tonight. Ease. Ladies and gentlemen.
My nigga too, you know. My nigga. Come on, last time, my nigga.
Ladies, I want to wind up my waist here tonight. Ladies, I want you to look to your friend and say, best friend, I'm going to wind up my waist tonight, you know.
When you shake it to the master. Oh, yeah, they with the bombs. Shit goes wrong.
You got so much, just say now, long time enough. Oh, so it's taking it.
To the spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. Money, always get hot.
Let's see like this man. It's over the 5 with the 10 with the 15 with the 25, 30, 35, 40. Look, stop now. Check it now, okay? I check it, my girl, I took it for me now. I check it for me, girl, I took it for me now. Set a regular, get it for me now. Set a regular, get it shake body now. Shake body. What does she love? One thing about the NK food, you fuck up any post, any dance. So let me show you one thing right now. Move, you. Alicia, can you take the picture, right? Fuck up the party, fuck up the dance. Fuck up the party, fuck up the dance now. I see my last 6 day for you.
So vibes overseas, man, outside, man. Hey, I'm still to the hard in that. You already know man's outside. Woo! Hey, listen, man, niggas are outside, man. 24s. Listen, bangers. Nah. Hey. Wait, so everyone outside? Shit, my nigga. Alright, listen, big up the DJs here. If it weren't for them, this wouldn't be running still. Big up every man that's here.
I'm a DJ.
No, come on.
DJ Rebel.
Only right. Only right, still. Only right. Listen, man, they make it work. This is harder than it looks, I'm telling you. It takes a lot of skill. And niggas need to rate niggas. And that's the boat party done, man. Listen, man. Faded. This vlog has been so chopped up and down that I don't even know I'm gonna bring this out to you lot. I'm still getting used to the Osmo thing, but yeah, it's been a good trip. Come on, tell them subscribe though.
Listen, subscribe, comment.
That's right.
Vibes overseas, wait there.
Don't call baby then, don't call baby.
I'm big mean or some more. Upcoming, good vibes, very attractive, same way. Go to the top. Go to the top, I can't lie. Now listen, if you like this video, you should like, comment, subscribe, and we out.
Got 016, I was broke. 017, I was broke. 018, I made moves. 019, I was broke. 020 was the pandemic, so I guess I was fucking broke. Hey, 021, I was broke.